Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for May 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Ayan. So, let's see Capricorn. What's coming to you ngayong May 2024? Okay. Organization. So, meron kang mga aayusin, pagpaplanuhan, i-organize pwedeng sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, or even yung mga long-term plans mo. Mag-aayusin mo na yun. Yung iba sa inyo, literal, no? Decluttering, pag-aayos ng bahay, general cleaning. You also have pero magtatayo kayo ng isang organisasyon. Can be a business organization or anything na meron kayong certain purpose para tumulong rin sa iba. You also have grace. Grace is about blessing. So, there are blessings coming into you. Let's see in what area of your life yung blessing na to. 6th house. So, sa inyong daily routine, sa work, and also sa inyong health, no? Kalusugan. May good news or may blessing. Let's see. Maaring iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng alaga, no? Pet. Pwedeng mag-adapt kayo ng aso, pusa, or anumang pet. You also have passion. Ayan. So, maaring meron kayong focus about your passion, what you really want to have or to do. Can be a romantic connection, no? Mas magiging passionate yung inyong relationship with your person, or if you have, kung meron ka mga projects, trabaho, business, mas magbibigay ka ng focus at attention doon, lalo na kung yun talaga yung gusto sa buhay. Your overall energy, the devil, may obsession. So, this is your energy actually. Maaring yung mga desires mo ngayon, maliwanag kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve, yung mga desires mo. May tendency lang na mag-obsess ka sa isang bagay to the point na andun na lang lahat ng focus mo, ng attention mo, which is dapat divided yon into different things para mas mag-function, 'di ba? Oo. Yung iba naman maaring may obsession about a person. So, nasa sayo yan kung itong obsession na to ay masyadong iikot na lang doon sa taong yan, no? Let's see your challenge. You have the Knight of Pentacles. Some of you might experience some challenges in your investments, no? So, kung meron kayong nag-invest kayo sa stock market, cryptocurrency, real estate, pwede magka-experience kayo ng challenges dyan. But I think, naman to kaya nga kailangan may pagpaplano. You have to monitor yung mga ginagawa mo, yung mga actions na ginagawa mo, yung mga steps na ginagawa mo para makita mo kung iyon ay beneficial sa investments mo or sa pera mo. Let's see your opportunity. You have the 10 of Cups. So, this is happiness. I feel like you have opportunity to be with your family. Spend more time. Mag-spend ka ng mas maraming oras at panahon sa iyong family, mga mahal sa buhay mo, mga anak mo kung may anak ka na. And also, this is about prosperity and contentment, no? So, ito yung tipong masaya ka sa sitwasyon na meron ka ngayon, about how things are going on with your career, with your life, with your relationship. So, your blessing is the Hermit. Now, some of you, meron kayong oras para sa sarili ninyo. Or, this is about self-reflection. You will realize kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong ayusin, baguhin, i-improve sa sarili mo. Mga bagay na kailangan mo nang i-let go. So, reassessment of your life, of your situation. So, medyo may pagka, spiritual yung blessings for you ngayong May. Kaya nga siguro may organization is about releasing anything that is no longer serving your highest good. So, maliwanag na sa'yo kung ano yung dapat mong i-release. So, pagdating sa iyong finances, career, business, so may collaboration, maaring merong contract signing, pagsasama ng dalawang parties para magkasundo sa isang proyekto. Ayan. You will work with someone who has the same interest or the same goal as you have. You also have nurture. So, ito nga yung time na kailangan may oras ka at panahon sa sarili mo. Yung leisure ba? Oo, na hindi lang work. So, syempre, you know also how to play. Ayan. So, pagdating sa finances, slow and steady, I think ito yung isa sa challenge ninyo na may mga bagay na minamadali kayo na makita na agad yung resulta, pero parang feeling nyo nababagalan kayo sa progress. Pwedeng sa investments ninyo or sa mga ine-effortan yung trabaho, business, or career. Pero alam nyo, as long as may progress, kahit maliit pa yan, ibig sabihin, may pag-unlad, 'di ba? Oo, hindi naman porket itinanim mo ngayon, kinabukasan may bunga na. So, kailangan dito patience. You have the 8 of Wands. So, marami kang kakausapin ngayong May. Maaring may mga travels ka rin na may kinalaman sa career, trabaho mo. You also have the 7 of Swords. So, be careful rin sa mga tao ring pagkakatiwalaan mo about money or yung mga offers, no? Minsan kasi may mag-offer sa'yo, oy, magandang business to, or oy, this is a good investment. Pero, nagtiwala ka, yung pala hindi naman, no? So, kailangan, meron ka ring due diligence na alamin, pag-aralan yung mga pinapasok mo na related sa iyong business, career, trabaho, or investments. So, sa love life, you have manifest family. Some of you are manifesting a family or parang gusto nyo makompleto yung family nyo. Maaring you are manifesting na maging maayos or magkaroon ng chance na maging maayos yung relationship mo with your family. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong potential romantic partner sa ngayon or mamimit nyo yung person na pwedeng maging very serious na in the future, potential husband, potential wife, potential partner na eventually magustuhan ng family mo or you will have your own family with, diba? Let's see, you have the 9 of Cups, so this is wish fulfillment sa family, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, masaya na kayo sa kalagayan ng situation niyo sa family niyo, kung may mga anak na kayo or may sarili na kayong asawa, pamilya, ganyan. I also see you now being more protective of your family, of your loved ones. Maring meron din kayong wish na matutupad na related sa romantic partner ninyo or sa mga gusto nyong mangyari for your family. So, mas family-oriented kayo during this time. Let's see what else. Merong courage. May happiness. So, maaring may mga activities kayo together with your loved one's family ngayon na magiging reason para mas tumibay ang inyong bond as a family. Someone is leaving your life o maaring merong aalis daw sa buhay ninyo. Can be pwede tong aalis kasi mangingibang bansa lang or pwedeng hindi naman siya aalis dahil may ending na sa relationship or connection ninyo. Pwedeng tauhan mo aalis or kasi magre-resign na. O yung iba naman, pwedeng romantic relationship, makikipaghiwalay for some reasons. Someone is behaving stupidly. Okay, maaring ito yung person na aalis or maaring ikaw to, may times na parang hindi mo mapigilan yung sarili mo. Sometimes you act like a child. Nagiging childish ka for some people na hindi mo pinag-iisipan yung ibang ginagawa mo. Kaya minsan may taong magi-give up na lang sa'yo tapos aalis na. Psychic ability, trust your intuition. Ayan. So, ngayong May, magiging malakas na ng instinct mo sa mga interest or intentions ng mga tao sa'yo. Oo. So, especially sa pera, no? Kasi meron dito na, merong someone who is maybe dishonest, no? Hindi totoo sa'yo. Maaring may panloloko. So, mag-ingat rin sa mga taong makakatrabaho mo, mga collaboration, no? Oo. Kailangan matalas yung paningin mo dyan. At kumbaga i-research mo, i-background check mo, especially kung ang involved dito malaking pera. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.